Surprisingly, the highest returning geopolitical trade of the entire 2022 calendar year did not rely on classified intelligence or satellite imagery. On that Tuesday, Raytheon Technologies CEO Greg Hayes held his fourth quarter earnings call. Hayes pointed directly to tensions in Eastern Europe, stating clearly, "I fully expect we're going to see some benefit from it." Later that same day, Lockheed Martin CEO James Teichlet spoke to his own investors. Teichlet cited the evolving threat level, explicitly naming Russia today and framing it as a catalyst for renewed great power competition. Hayes and Teichlet delivered forward earnings statements to any institutional analyst mapping the policy cycle, broadcast legally on public channels weeks before the first missile hit. Institutional capital recognized these signals and allocated to the sector long before the conflict escalated. By the end of 2022, Lockheed Martin posted a total return of 40.48%, while Raytheon returned 20.02%. While defense stock skyrocketed, the S&P 500 plummeted to negative 18.17. In its first quarter 2022 letter, LRT Capital explained the core structural advantage of these companies, the oligopoly moat. The defense market is a series of state-authorized sole-source monopolies. Once a product like the F-35 is certified, competition is effectively eliminated for the duration of the procurement cycle. By purchasing high-yield monopolies just before a known policy cycle, hedge funds captured a predictable expansion in valuation. The alpha mechanism relies on pricing the structural policy response rather than the military event itself. Ukraine triggered a specific policy cascade: NATO budget pledges, congressional supplementals, and allied rearmament commitments. These legislative actions translate into multi-year budget increases, which fill company backlogs and eventually force upward earnings revisions. Defense alpha lies in modeling legislative authorization timelines and procurement cycles, rather than predicting kinetic military strikes. The repricing trigger arrived when Germany announced a historic €100 billion special defense fund. From a €90 baseline, the stock rose 1,700% by 2026. Order intake exploded. Morningstar projects European defense budgets will grow 6.8% annually through 2035, outpacing the US and China. From wartime backlogs to commercial engine duopolies, the most dominant compounders on Wall Street are found where competition has been legally or structurally eliminated.